You can become a pro at making money online with the help of this video. Making an income online takes research. This video was put together to help you get a plan in motion so you can make money online. Follow these tips and you will find that it's pretty easy to earn money online. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Many people make quite a bit of money by filling out surveys and participating in online studies. There are numerous websites that offer this kind of work, and it can be quite lucrative. It is important that you check out the reputation and validity of any website offering survey work before joining and supplying your sensitive information. Make sure the site has a good rating with the BBB or other consumer protection agency. It should also have positive reviews from users. Start out small when you want to make money online, to minimize potential losses. For example, something that looks promising could turn out to be a bust and you don't want to lose a lot of time or money. Do a single task, write just one video or order only one item until the site you choose proves to be safe and worthy. Now, you should have a basic understanding of how to make money online. It isn't always easy, but many people enjoy it. Continue to research and use these ideas to develop your own success plan. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.